Hello friends, this is L Traveler, and today we will talk about the quadratic staking in the IDENA blockchain. There was a constant problem in the IDENA blockchain, namely, this was the downs of the rate after each validation. This was due to the fact that after receiving the reward, users quickly exchanged the coin to stable coins, which led to the price drop. The developers thought for a long time how to solve this problem, thanks to IDENA Improvement Proposals (IIP). Arising in the search for a solution, network members have developed a new mechanism of distribution of rewards. If before 20% of the total rewards fund distributed among network members based on age alone, now 18% of the total rewards fund will be distributed between participants based on their investment in the total stake. So, the more you put into a stake, the more rewards you get after validation. The remaining 2% of the total rewards will be distributed among network participants with the status candidate who has successfully passed the test and upgraded their status to newbie. These participants do not have coins in the stake, thus they are also entitled to some part of a total stake, although not large. To calculate approximately the number of rewards which you can get based on that or this stake, you can use the calculator, which is available at the following link. As you can see, the difference between members with a small stake and members with a large stake leveled with the percentage of rewards that they receive after validation. The participants of the network with a large stake get a smaller percentage of rewards, and the members with a smaller stake get a higher one. You can add your coins to the stake with a special button. You can do this both in the web application and in the desktop version of the client. The current version of the protocol involves only adding coins to the stake. If you want to withdraw your coins out of the stake, you have to terminate the identity and start over. New rules motivates participants to add coins to the stake. Actually, IDENA becomes kind of bank which can provide you with a good passive income, and with increasing of IDENA market price, you can earn more and more with each epoch. It is worth mentioning the challenges you can face it when adding coins to the stake. The best way to avoid issues is to add coins to the stake when your personality gets the human status. Please note, when you are in newbie status, there is a risk of stake losing in case if you fail validation. The rules of the protection of identity can be seen at the following table. As you can see, the status human is the most protected status, while the least protected status is the newbie status, who will lose his entire stake in case of validation failure. If you have already taken the test several times, created flips, and fully mastered it in the IDENA ecosystem, then you are welcome to quadratic staking. With a skillful approach, quadratic staking will provide you with a good passive income based on your investments to the benefit of a fair democracy of the IDENA ecosystem. L Traveler was with you. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, write your questions in the comments, and see you next time. Bye!